Welcome to BLUETTI Support. Today, we've got something special for you. We're tearing down the Apex 300, our next-gen power beast, to see what makes it tick. Let's jump right in. First things first, power off the unit. It's tightly secured with multiple screws and locking connectors. Unscrew the panel and gently pry open the front panel. Now, lift the top panel. This is not your average plastic. It's aerospace-grade ABS plastic, flame retardant, wear resistant, and built to last. The body is reinforced with lightweight yet tough metal, so there are no weak spots here. Even the handle is made to last. Unscrew it, and you'll find long screws that can hold up to 5 times the weight of the unit. And that's why the Apex 300 isn't the lightest, but it's incredibly durable, ready for road trips, off-grid adventures, and years of use. Now let's check out the core of this powerhouse, the motherboard. Peel back the airflow paper, and you'll notice the simplified circuit design. By reducing it from 3 stages to 2, we've cut energy loss and heat buildup for improved efficiency. The white glue reinforcement holds components securely in place, reducing cable-related failures, so it runs smoother and longer. Now, let's carefully unscrew the motherboard. Check this out. Integrated magnetic transformers and inverter inductors. They're smaller, more efficient, and better at handling electromagnetic interference. And these solid-state capacitors keep the CPU humming along without a hitch and boost overall performance. With 4 major upgrades, we've reduced self-consumption to an industry-low 20 watts. Plus, it can discharge at 95% depth of discharge, giving you access to every bit of power. Here's where the magic happens with the temperature control. We've got 4 9-blade cooling fans designed to keep things chill even under heavy use, quiet and efficient. Here's something impressive. The Apex 300 now supports up to 50 ampere output with dual voltage options of 240 volts and 120 volts. Thanks to the overcurrent copper bars, it can handle high currents with ease. Last but definitely not least, battery safety. Before we pull out the battery pack, notice these 2 metal shielding boards. They cut down on electromagnetic radiation, making the system safer and more reliable. And when it comes to batteries, we don't cut corners. The Apex 300 comes with CNES certified automotive-grade lithium iron phosphate batteries with up to 6,000 cycle lifespan and 0 gap stacking. In addition, it's equipped with our latest Inner Balance AI system for intelligent battery balancing. With all this protection, even in extreme heat, it stays safe from overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, fire risks, and more. All right, let's get this beast back together. All set. Let's see if everything is working perfectly. Everything's good to go. From the inside out, BLUETTI powers you safely.